which is, I think, can make you sleep in peace. Now, let's jump directly to the tool to show how it's helpful for your business. Now, when we enter to 3Dsellers, you see a dashboard. Some of you have maybe one store, some of you have 2 stores, and some of you maybe have more than that in different regions. So 3Dsellers can connect all of your account in one place, also from different regions, and also other marketplaces that you have, including your email accounts to give support. I will touch it a bit later. Now, let's start with the basic that every seller needs, is automation in customer support. I have many tools that provide this service. I want to show you that you also have it here, and then I will jump to the heavier stuff about listings, about orders. So I will start with the marketing section because it's easy to digest. You have automations for auto messages and for feedback. For example, you want to send an auto message for your buyer. Let's say you see some templates of thank you for your purchase. So you can create the automated message to thank the buyer, to update about shipping. If you have, let's say, delay in your policy of shipping, you can create, let's say, past handling time. So I will use this, is very nice. So let's say that you have a policy of shipping with 3 handling days. So you can create an automated message that when your eBay account reached the delayed handling time, or let's say 2 days after delayed handling time, whatever is comfortable to you, you can send your all buyers a message that's in delay that will update them. Hello, buyer first name. We are truly sorry about the delay, blah, blah, blah. And all of these small nuances. And you can even add dynamic fields such as the contact URL, the tracking number, tracking URL, and whatever you will want. Of course, don't have tracking URL, but the estimations, etc., etc. And it will go directly to your user account. This is a very nice tool because you have unlimited options. In eBay, you have some solution that's like sending the shipping information to the buyer. It's nice, it's cool, but here you have more versatility, I think. When you get a positive feedback, for example, you can say thank you for a buyer, and then something that a lot of our users do, they're thanking for a buyer, and then I think I wish to remove it a little bit, and then you can send coupons to the buyer. So you got a positive feedback, thank you very much, we appreciate it, and then send the coupon. So have many options here. I will not spend a lot of time on it, but you can automate all of your customer support. Instead of waiting for your teammates or you to come back in the morning and reply and respond, this can already resolve all of this inconvenience. Now, it's included also in all plans, and it's unlimited in terms of messages, so just play with it and enjoy with it. The same thing for feedbacks. For example, you can create reminders for feedback to buyers that bought from you and did not leave feedback. Now, yes, you can maybe do it in some way via messages. It's cool. But you can do it with 3Dsellers automatically and is with custom rules. For example, to send a feedback reminder after the estimated delivery time, which is a little bit more accurate than, I don't know, general timer of 10 days, let's say. Or when the item was shipped. You can select specific countries and to create each message in different language for each country. So this is great. This is a great way to create personalized experience for buyers, which really increase the return sales. And same thing with the dynamic fields. You just click, you add them, and you build your own messages. You can do one timer, second timer. And this is the idea. I will not spend more time on it. Now, just one more important thing. The system is smart. We understand that sellers need some security on who they are speaking with and who they ask feedback from. Not all buyers are nice. We know it. Sadly, this is true. So the system built also with safeguards. You can automatically block the buyers inside of 3Dseller system who have canceled, refunded, or have any case against you. So if you are in the middle of case or got a past refund, there is no reason to run this automation on blind, like on timer. The system will check it and will not send this request. And you can also block other cases, like if you're in a live conversation with someone, etc. You can build rules to only create the best chances to get positive feedback. Now, this is in terms of marketing, was really 5 minutes about it. Now, I will just take a sip of water